Hi! A pleasant day to formally start. I am Alexandra Pakay, currently taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. Have you noticed that our world is becoming more and more advanced and innovative? And, well, probably everything must go with its flow, including mathematics. But let's have a break from modernizations. Let's go back to our traditional way of solving and concluding a problem, the trial and error stage. Today, I will discussing problem situation and how we can arrive with the right solutions. So let's have the first problem. Say for example, we have the problem. The product of the ages in years of 3 teenagers is 4,590. None of the teens are of the same age. What are the ages of the teenagers? So let's try and analyze it first, gather some data. So we have the product of ages in years, which is 4,590, and that the 3 teens are the same of age. What are we looking for? Of course, the ages of those teenagers. We all know that teenager years ranges for 15 years of age. 15 to 18 years of age. So proceeding with our computation, let's say that in the set of 15, 16, 17, and 18, there are 3 numbers to be multiplied that will equal to 4,590. Okay, let's do it. Say we have 15 times 16 times 17 equals to 4,080. Oops, that's a close one. Let's try another one. So we have 15 times 17 times 18 equals to 4,590, and we have it. So to conclude, the age of those teens are 15, 17, and 18. Do you want another problem? Of course, I know you love solving and analyzing dilemmas. So, okay, the problem is Marilyn went to her grandmother's farm. Her grandmother has ducks and sheep of her farm. She asked her how many ducks and sheep her farm has. She told her that her animals has 26 heads and 68 legs, and from that information she could calculate the number of ducks and sheep. So calculate. First, we have understand the problem in our own way. Let's look for the facts and information on the given situation. So, it was stated that all animals in the farm has 26 heads and 68 legs. So, ducks has a head and 2 legs, while the sheep has a head and 4 legs. Doing our guessing, let's use the P and Q value. Let's P be the number of ducks and Marilyn's grandmother farm, and Q the number of sheep. So thus we will arrive with P plus Q is equals to 26, while 2P plus PQ equals to 68. Notice that the 2 and 4 in PQ value is the same number of legs of each farm animals. Sa guess, we have 1, 2, and 3. Duck, 13, 20, 18. Sheep, 13, 6, and 8. Number of legs, 26, 26, and 26. Number of heads, 78, 64, and 68. If you wonder how we arrive with the table, we use the P plus Q, and the value still we arrive with the desired solution. Now we currently have 64 legs, but you still need 4, but you are unable to add any more. So there should be 26 heads. So you eliminate 2 ducks, 4 legs, and 2 heads, and replace them with 2 goats, which is 2 heads and 8 legs. So now we now know the right response. It's 8 sheep and 18 ducks. Now let's check if we guess it right. 18 ducks will have 18 heads and 36 legs. 8 gulls will have 8 heads and 32 legs. Let's substitute. P equals to 18, Q equals to 8. Into equation, P plus Q equals to 26. So 18 plus 8 equals to 26. Again, substitute the second P and Q values. The number of heads, substitute P equals to 18, Q equals to 8. Into equation, 2P plus 4Q equals to 68. So 2 times 18 plus 4 times 8 equals to 68. Thus, there are 18 ducks and 8 sheep in the farm. What a long and serious question. Get me these whole steps and phrases. Still, we arrive with the right answer, and that is what the best thing we have done. Are you still ready for another question? I hope you enjoy solving and guessing the conclusion of 4 previous problems. Hope you did it well. It's this last one. So the problem goes like this. Marilyn went to her grandmother's farm. Her grandmother has chickens and cows on her farm. She asked her how many chickens and cows her farm has. So she told her that her animals has 33 heads and 92 legs. And from that information, she could calculate the number of chickens and cows. This problem is like the previous one, but in different animals and numbers of animals. Animals and numbers of animals, right? So first, let us identify the facts. So there are animals, chickens, and cows, but there is no exact number of them. And the only clues is that the animals has 33 heads and 92 legs. 92 legs. So suppose that 33 is the number of heads. So we will multiply 33 by 2 and that will be equal to 66. Yes, the 66. 92, which is the number of legs, minus the doubled number of heads will be 26. And then 26 divided by 2 will equal into 3 animals and legs. And that 13 animals and legs are the cows. Now 33 minus 13 will be equal to 20 chicken. And that's it. That's all for today. Have a great weekend and see you on the other time. Again, I am Alexandra